So we have a couple of UConn recent grads here who are working on a really interesting project. I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about it and who you are, if you want to start with who you are.
Okay, so I'm Sam,
And I'm Frank.
and we work in the Conover Lab in the Physiology and Neurobiology department, and we're designing an app.
So our app is called Connecticut Concussion Tracker, and essentially what we're looking to do is track the occurrence of concussions in high school students across Connecticut. Currently there's no standard of tracking, and actually nurses, we won't get into the specifics of that, but we want to help nurses, athletic trainers, and physicians all have a singular platform to communicate through, and that's what we have here.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And so this is I don't know if you were at the talk, but the FHIR compatibility. So we've designed our app FHIR compatible, encrypted, and we hope to collect this data and eventually provide suggestions of how long to keep the students out. Not too long because then they're missing school, not too short because then there's neurological implications to that, and it extends recovery significantly. So we're in the data collection phase.
Okay.
And after we've collected our data, we want to use machine learning to generate a working model for these predictions.
Based on symptomology. So there's one paper, when we started making this app, there was one paper out that said dizziness after a concussion correlated with a tripled recovery time. And we're convinced there's more than just that to the recovery time variability. So we want to find that out with all the data we collect on a case. And eventually a kid comes in, the physician will be able to open up the medical records, and here we go.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Excellent. So what are the next steps for you?
Next steps is to run a clinical trial.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing this with us. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Yep, of course.